All right, on to our last topic. This is going to be topic 14.3, 14.2. Come on. Point 2. With respect to Treasury stock transactions. All right, Treasury stock. So what the heck is Treasury stock? Treasury stock is also called reacquired shares. Sometimes you call it, it's called repurchased shares. Or simply buybacks, stock buybacks. Okay, so it has many names. I think the other names here do a better job describing what's happening, right? It's basically when a company repurchases their own shares. So in the last video, we saw what the journal entry was when they sell stock, right? Now let's say they decide to buy it back. They can totally do that, right? So we have our corporation, our investors give us cash. We give them stock. And then we say, you know what? I kind of want that back. So we give them cash and they give us our stock back. And you might be saying, why? Why would we buy it back? The main reason is we feel our stock, feel that our stock price is too low, that our stock is undervalued in the marketplace. We see that market price and it's going down, and we say, you know what? It's too low. We don't agree with that pricing. So if we buy it back, what are we doing? We are limiting the supply. We're limiting the supply. A reduction in supply, for those of you who have taken economics, means an increase in demand. So just by us buying it back, that stock market price will go up. Okay. And then what can we do when it's higher? We can sell it back for a higher amount of cash. Okay, so that's the main reason a company will buy back the stock, and this is completely legal as long as there's no insider trading happening, right? It's completely legal for us to go back into the marketplace. And if we're willing to pay the market price, which we feel is too low, if we're willing to pay that, we can buy back our own stock. Why would we buy it back? We think it's too low and we can sell it for higher later. So most of the time we purchase it with the intent to resell it later. All right, so let's look at the journal entries for the buyback and the resale. So we're going to look at those two journal entries for the buyback and the resale.